Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today is the Monday, 25th of August, 2025. Today we have a vital initiative as a continuance to distribute 10 trucks of water during this the hottest situation that we are faced and the people of the Gaza city faced. During this, we distribution this essential supplies with the compassion and solidarity, smart Qurban that still give a hand during these hardest circumstances. With a compassion and solidarity, today we bring some of hope for these families in need and malnutrition time that they faced during this the hardest conditions. Our gratitude for everyone who contributed in this humanitarian, especially Smart Qurban, and we urge you to keep you supporting for these families in need. Your help was a beacon of hope in this challenging time. Thank you.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Let's start our word by thanks Allah because we are Muslim, because we take care about each other and take care about other Muslims in all over the world. Today is Thursday, 21 of August. Today our activity to provide clean water to the displaced people here in the North Governorate of Gaza Strip. This is the 5 vehicle provide from Smart Qurban. We send a special thanks to Smart Qurban and all the people who donated this organization. We are appealing you to continue to support us. By your donation, we can cover more camps here in the North Governorate of Gaza Strip. Finally, we're asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bless you, to bless your family, to bless your community, and make us and you the source of comfort to these needed people here and around the world. Thank you.